Hello viewers, welcome back to The Voice Show. Always airs at Science TV at 7:30 to 8. Also, there is a repeat show every Sunday at 7:30 to 8 as well. I am your host, Videliz Njoki, and that is my sign name. So today we have a very handsome guest who is seated right next to me. But before that, I would like to appreciate and recognize all the people who support us and the people that also share across our social media platforms. Please continue with your good job. And also, if you are a new viewer, don't worry, you can join us. You can subscribe and like and share and also enjoy. Please don't miss this interesting show. So we have had a lot that has happened that is really interesting. Over to my guest. Kindly introduce yourself. Tell us what you do and tell us what you do.
Videliz, nice to meet you. You're a very, very lovely person. And it's a pleasure to meet you. And I must say you're very energetic. And I look forward to this interview. My name is Brian. I work at KCB Bank. I'm in marketing. I support media. And it's a pleasure to be with you.
So meaning you have had a background in media and I as well. So I hope we can have this collaborative conversation. You are working as a staff at KCB as a social media marketer. So what interested you in working in this field?
So what I do in marketing at the bank, I support any kind of media activity. Sure, every time you see some bit of advertisements on your TV station, so that's what we do behind the scenes, making sure that we have campaigns. So we're the people that come in to create the campaigns, to create the messaging, and put out ads that will run on TV, on radio, on the newspapers, on the billboards when you see them out there, just to make sure that we are passing a very good message about KCB Bank and our various products and services. But I have a very good background in media. I've worked in 2 media houses before. I've worked in CAS FM before, and I've worked at Capital FM before. And I must say it's a pleasure to be interviewed. Now that I was on the other side before.
That is very interesting. Since you've had a background in media, you have experience and you know how it works. So you've been working here at KCB. So I want to ask you, what are the values that you make sure the people out here and in the remote villages also get the information, and maybe marginalized groups where people really don't have access to the media? So how do you mitigate that?
Thank you very much. As you know, KCB Bank is a very big bank. We have over 213 branches countrywide, both not only in the urban centers, but also in the villages. And one of the things that we've always strived to do is to work with the community radio stations and community TV stations, and also progressive partners, just like Science TV. And by so doing, we're able to reach the people down there in the village, the people down there in any part of this country, just to make sure that they get to know about the bank, they get to know about our products, they get to know about our various services. And by so doing, we're able to reach out to them in a very, very accurate way. And we hope that by partnering with you guys, we've always done better in the past, and we look forward to doing more with you guys in the near future, specifically with the people that are deaf. And we really appreciate that you guys, the partnership with Science Media Group and Science TV gave us an opportunity to speak to an audience, and now we are making them an inclusive part of KCB Bank, because at KCB Bank we are for people for better, and we don't leave anyone behind.
I love the energy and the focus, and the slogan for People for Better that you as KCB have. So, and also making sure that these people in the villages get access to this information. So, from this partnership, can you tell us from before this partnership, kindly share your expectations or what you hope to achieve, the goals that you hope to achieve, and moving forward, what is the way forward?
Great. One of the things that the bank fights for at any given time, when we say we are for people for better, is driving inclusivity and making sure that banking caters for everyone. And I think we were one of the first media houses to start advertising with Science Media Group. And when your director approached us with the idea of Assist All application, which is basically an application that enables the deaf communicate with any other party, it's one of the things that really got the interest of our seniors in the company. And I know they're not here with us today, but they would love to be part of Assist All, which is a product of Science Media Group, because basically inclusivity is basically accommodating everyone. So I believe that even as we go to the next steps of this engagement, we really look forward to the final stages of this engagement, just seeing how we'll be able to incorporate the deaf and Assist All into the ways of doing things as a bank. And we really look forward to a successful engagement, even as we start these baby steps as we look forward to ahead.
I cannot wait to see the vision come true and the bigger picture that is going to be achieved generally. And you have said you have some experience in media, which means you can promote inclusion. So I want to ask you, you have very many branches. So is it possible? Do you have any innovations or participation, any direct consultation from the local communities?
So as a bank, we've always taken note of disability in the community, in the society, and we've always tried to do a few levels of engaging and accommodating the people that are disabled. You'll find whenever you go to any KCB bank branch, you'll find there's a ramp for those who are not able to walk, then they'll be wheeled through to the bank. You'll find that we give them priority in terms of the services. You'll find that we also give them an opportunity for them to get a better personalized attention. But I think getting into a partnership where we'll be able to give a personalized service to those who are not able to talk and those who are not able to hear, I mean the deaf, will basically position us on the next level in terms of experiencing customer service and experiencing the bank and experiencing the people of the society at another level. So we're really looking forward to this and making it happen and taking our brand experience and our customer experience to the next level and engaging further and giving everybody an opportunity to bank with us and to grow with us and to grow with the bank.
So you've told us about people growing together and also easing the access for the banks. With that, we will take a commercial break. We will be back shortly. Welcome back as we continue with this interesting conversation with one of the staff from KCB Bank who works as a social media and social media advertisement. So you've said the company embraces diversity and that you make the care specialized for each individual according to their needs. So when you go to a local or in the village areas, you see people need various things. So we can't just assume that having ramps is enough. So how do you embrace all this diversity? And also in relation to social media, and how accessible is the information on the KCB?
That's a very good question. So at KCB Bank, we have a KCB Foundation where we run a number of projects. So through the foundation, we are able to identify a number of needful projects and people of the society. So from that angle now, we're able to grow with them, we're able to understand their needs. And as you may know, on today's society, emerging challenges come in on a day-to-day basis. So at any given time, we are able to get an opportunity to tackle a challenge. We're able to come in handy and see what else can we do for that opportunity, for that situation of whatever person that we're dealing with. So now that a very good example is now that an app has been developed that can be able to assist those who can't be able to, the deaf and those who are not able to communicate. We look at those opportunities and see we have this kind of customers who bank with us. We have this kind of people in our society who are part of the KCB Bank family. How can we jump on this and make them part of the KCB family? And like I mentioned before, we are a bank that's for people for better. And we always strive to look for opportunities and solutions at any given time to make sure that we are addressing. And I'm sure every time, very soon, we'll be able to see more and more opportunities to accommodate and make it a KCB Bank more all-inclusive. And we look forward to doing bigger things ahead.
I hope the bigger things happen, and I hope the app will continue improving and also aid in inclusion so that we can work together as the diversity group and having inclusion for all. I like that you said that KCB is a family. So can you possibly tell the viewer for a person who is really interested to join the family and maybe they want to work there, what are the requirements? So, and also what qualifies them?
At KCB, we are an inclusive bank, and if you have all the qualities that is required to work with us, we normally have job opportunities that are open so often on our website and our social media pages. And I can assure you that if you have all the qualities and you're able to apply, you'll be shortlisted and you'll go through the whole professional process of the recruitment process. And God willing, and if all goes well, you'll be admitted into the company. And I can assure you one thing, KCB is one progressive company that accommodates everyone. It doesn't discriminate. It's a family company. And with any form of disability or without any form of disability, you're given equal treatment. And it accommodates everyone. And the one rallying call that I can ask everyone out there is to join the KCB Bank family. Come and open an account with us. And the best part is about right now, we have a very new mobile banking app that allows you to download the app, sign up on the go, and you, just like that, by following a number of prompts, you have a new KCB Bank account and you're part of the family. And with our new KCB Bank app, you're able to do so much. You're able to create an account, you're able to create a savings account, you're able to buy insurance from in there, you're able to open policies and save for the future. And we are welcoming everybody to be part of the KCB Bank family, and we grow together and we grow this nation together as KCB Bank.
How you mentioned about inclusion and how that KCB is a non-discriminatory company. For any person who is ready to join the KCB family, as you had, you're welcome. So can you tell our viewers what makes KCB to stand out and become special than other banks?
Absolutely. KCB is the biggest bank, one of the biggest banks in the region. We are currently available in 7 countries. So we are a regional powerhouse. So you know that you're banking with a partner that's not going to go down. You know that you're banking with a partner that's big, with presence in over 7 countries. So wherever you are, you can always bank on us, knowing that if I'm traveling to Uganda, if I'm traveling to Tanzania, to Burundi, to Rwanda, you have a full presence of KCB. So it's a trusted bank with over 130 years in this country. So that's a big heritage, which no other bank plays in the league that we are in. So we're encouraging everyone to be part of the KCB Bank family, either by downloading the new app and signing up with us, or even by visiting any of the nearest KCB Bank branch and starting the banking journey with us. And we have so many products. Even for those people who are in business, we have so many business products. For those people who want personalized products, we have a lot of them. For those people who want insurance, we have an insurance portfolio. We have so many products that we are able to provide. We even ventured into an opportunity where we are offering clean energy solutions for schools. So those schools who are able to work with us, we're able to give them an opportunity where we can be able to finance clean energy solutions so that they can stop using firewood, and they have a better environment and a better life by accommodating clean energy solutions. So all they just need to do is to bank with us, join the journey with KCB Bank, and be part of this amazing family.
Oh, wow. I love how you are addressing the people as family. I'm happy to be included because I am also banking with you. So you talked about the clean energy program. So wherever you are, you're not limited. I want you to tell a final word to our viewers as a KCB staff and to people who are watching, and maybe they'd like to join the family. Kindly share what your last words. Also, kindly include the data protection and the last words. Also, finally, give us the final words.
Thank you. I think as my closing remarks, I'd like to thank everybody for watching Science TV. You have a very amazing host. And I think as my closing remarks, I would like to say thank you so much for watching this interview. If you would like to invite you to be part of KCB Bank family by banking with us and by enjoying some of our amazing products and services. And my parting shot, if you don't have the new KCB mobile banking app, download the new app, and sign up and create a new account with us and enjoy amazing products and services out there. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.